Got a business idea and looking to launch it in Europe? Malta offers a visa just for entrepreneurs, but not every industry qualifies. I'm Betty from Law and Visas, and if you're a Nigerian entrepreneur looking to expand or launch in Malta, here's what you need to know. Malta's Startup and Entrepreneur Visa is designed to attract non-EU founders who want to establish innovative or high-potential businesses in the country. But the key is, Malta is selective about the industries it accepts. So, what types of businesses are eligible? Technology and innovation software, AI, medtech, blockchain, cybersecurity, green and sustainable ventures, clean energy, circular economy, climate solutions, advanced manufacturing and life sciences, digital platforms, fintech, and scalable SaaS, creative industries like gaming, digital media, and design, and some niche consulting services that bring high value to the economy. What's not eligible? Basic trading companies, import-export businesses without innovation, low-skill services that don't generate jobs or IP. To qualify, you need a solid business plan, initial investment capital, often €25,000 plus, and the intent to create local employment in Malta. If approved, you get a residence permit for up to 3 years, renewable, and you can include co-founders or core team members. We recently helped a Nigerian fintech founder, Ada, secure her visa with a blockchain-based payment system. She registered her company, hired local staff, and is now fully operating in Malta. At Law and Visas, we help Nigerians navigate the complex visa process with clarity and confidence. Follow our WhatsApp channel for daily updates and real-life visa tips. Link in the description. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss an update.